In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change number of rings before voicemail on iPhone 13. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, when you receive a call on your iPhone 13 or any other smartphone, there will be a certain amount of rings or seconds before this call goes to voicemail. You might be curious how to change this time, either if you would like to decrease it or increase it accordingly. So this time is usually tied to your mobile carrier. So to make things very clear, I'm going to give you instructions on how to change this. All that you have to do is dial a specific number. However, this number is going to differ for every single mobile carrier out there. So if you would like to be absolutely sure, you can try out the method that I show here, but you should call your specific mobile carrier and ask them on how to increase or decrease the number, and they will be able to assist you. Because this is going to differ for every single carrier, I cannot give you specific instructions for all of them in this video alone. So the most popular way to get this done is to call this number star star 61 star and then 101 star, and finally you can input the amount of seconds and then finish it off with a hash. So in this spot right here, you have to input the amount of seconds that you wish to increase or decrease. So essentially the number of rings. I recommend doing this in increments of 5. Most carriers will allow users to change the amount of seconds in increments of 5. So for example, if you would like 15 seconds before it goes to voicemail, you include 15. So the full number would be star star 61 star 101 star 15 and then hash. And all that you have to do is call the number. This will give you a message similar to this one, and you are good to go. There's no secret to this. Like I said, because this differs for every single carrier, the number might not be exactly this one. Sometimes this sequence here in the middle can change. So instead of 101, it can be 321, for example. I recommend calling your carrier and asking for them to help you on how to do this. Sometimes they will be able to do this on their end, so you don't even have to worry. I hope I was able to help you on how to change number of rings before voicemail on iPhone 13. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.